Green, green, green. Car right side's clear. There's an incident in NASCAR Bend. It looks like it's Bourgeois. Left side. Clear left. We've just had a warning for cutting the track. Perfect start, mate. This is great. Car left. He's still there. Clear left. Be careful with this guy, he's got a bad reputation. Bryson, rookie license. B6, hit all your apexes. Wait for the chances to come, mate. "10 minutes to go, that's 10 minutes left. Stick to the plan, don't be intimidated here. Car left. Still there. Still there. Hold your line. He's still there. He's still there. Still there. Clear left, P5. That last lap was a 134.6. The leader's just done a 133.6. That's your quickest lap in this session. Left side. Clear left. Well done, fella. On your left. Clear left. The guy in front is Fonseca. Gone out of track limits, keep it between the lines. Incident in turn 10, we think it might be Fonseca. The driver in front of us is Burkhardt, B license. Car left. Clear left. The leader has just done a 133.4. P2, this is brilliant, keep it up. Halfway home, fuel looks good. Podium finish, nice one.